This is a song called Too Many Mistakes. It's not like the usual ones where they're like loop-based and easy to sequence, so I've pre-sequenced and pre-programmed the synthesizer to play it. I'm going to be doing some singing, twiddling some knobs, playing on the keyboard, and yeah, like going on tour, like in literally about 2 hours, 10-day European tour, so check it out. The song is out today. Anyway, I'm going to play it. I'll see what you think about it, see if I could do it any good live. I don't have a clue. All right, let's see. Are you in tune? No! There we go. Looking